Welcome to iWave Systems Technologies. Today we are going to demonstrate ARINC818 to HDMI and vice versa protocol conversion on iWave's video converter module. The ARINC818 to HDMI and vice versa protocol conversion on iWave's video converter module is designed with Xilinx Kintex 7 FPGA using analog device video encoder and decoder to provide video interfacing requirements. The demo setup consists of HDMI video source, iWave's ARINC818 IP core implemented in Xilinx Kintex 7 FPGA, an onboard SFP connector which is used for transmission and reception of ADVB frames via optical module, and a video sync for displaying the HDMI streams. The laptop here acts as the video source that provides the video input to the ARINC818 conversion card. The video data received by the ARINC818 conversion card is then converted into ADVB frames by the Kintex 7 FPGA programmed with iWave's ARINC818 IP core. The ADVB frames are further converted to 8-bit, 10-bit encoded data by the Kintex 7 transceiver block. This encoded data is then transmitted through the SFP connector and looped back via optical cables to the same connector. The looped back data is given to the transceiver block for 8-bit, 10-bit decoding to retrieve the ADVB frames, which are then sent to the ARINC818 IP core. The ARINC818 IP core then deframes the received ADVB frames with very low latency to recover the video data, which is then sent out as AXI stream. The AXI stream data is converted to native video format and then displayed out through the HDMI interface. You can see the low latency with the displayed video here. The ARINC818 link rate and resolution are configurable depending upon the requirement. I hope this gives you a clear overview of ARINC conversion cards. To know more, visit our website.